Brandon Franco. This is my 2003 Mazda Miata. It's got a built engine and a turbo kit from FLYIN MIATA on it. So I'm a sucker for little cars. I've always wanted a rear-wheel drive platform, so the Miata is kind of perfect for that. Previous to, I was looking for Cayman for the 50-50 weight distribution. This is as good as you could get with weight distribution for how light the car is, and I'm a big Porsche nut, so my whole thing with doing this car was kind of inspired by that. So I picked this car up before the Miata crisis happened, where the price in these things just skyrocketed. I ended up picking the car up for about $3,500 from an older gentleman. He was a little bit of ways away. I think he was closer in Rialto. My wife and I went to go look at it online. It would just look super, super clean. So when we went to go check it out, I was like, yeah, this is the one for sure. This is it. So when I bought it, it didn't have the hardtop on it. He was selling it for his son, and man, he was grinding us pretty hard trying to sell it to us, and we knew we wanted it. So I was playing the poor as me, I only got a couple dollars routine. So we were able to pick it up from him. He gave us a good deal on it, but the good old is the power steering working, trying to work him over. So no, he ended up being really cool. It was a good experience. So we picked it up, and from there, that's kind of when the build started. Let's start in the engine bay. So first off, the main part of the car is it has a FLYIN Miata turbo kit on it with a Garrett turbocharger. So all this right here is the kit. It all comes with this, all the silicone piping and all that. Over here it rounds around. That's the whole kit, and then if you come out, you'll see the intercooler down here. That's also part of the kit. As far as anything else in the engine bay, this is a stock bar that I powder coated the same color as the roll cage in the inside. We have a Mishimoto radiator and a couple of items from Moroso. We got the coolant tank and the air oil separator over there. In here you can kind of see the Feel suspension. This car has the Feel road race suspension. It's a little stiff, but it's pretty good for the street. Like it's very nice. Over here, coming this way, we have the Koenig countergrams. I believe these are 15 by 9.5, and I think these are 225 RS4s by Hankook. Super grippy. I mean, way grippier than I thought they were going to be, because the car right now is making about 280 wheel, and it was tuned by Toby at Advanced Engine Dynamics. For the power and how light this car is, it's surprisingly grippy. The car did not come with a hardtop. When I bought it, this car's interior and the top was all tan. So this hardtop I was able to source from someone. I paid $300 for this hardtop, and it was garbage, just absolute garbage. I took it home with a couple buddies. We sanded it down and just had it match to the rest of the car. Back here, before we go on the inside, we have the full 3-inch exhaust from FLYIN Miata, and it also has a bumper cut that we did. And this right here is where I threw my trailer into the rear of my car. We were working on the car, and my wife was like, should we put the blocks on the trailer? I was like, no, real quick, I'm just gonna set it there and it'll be fine. I stinking moved the car back. I just hear this roaring. I look, this huge freaking trailer just slams the back of the car. It hurt. It hurts me to this day, but someone's gonna mention it, so whatever. Now when we go into the inside of the car, this is kind of like my favorite part of the car. So these are custom seats done by Gomez Upholstery, local here in, I think Walnut we're in right now. So it is done with leather with suede inserts. I copied that from a GT2 Porsche. My favorite material is Alcantara, so suede, micro suede, whatever you want to call it. So the shifter is actually also Alcantara. It is from a company called Black Forest Industries. They do not make a shifter for this car, so I contacted them, gave them the threads for everything, and they were able to custom make me one. So also in the inside, we have the rev limiter switches. Some people say it's to put the nitrous. I say it's to lower the windows. So on top of that, we got the shift boot, also suede, and then the roof lining. The roof lining and the pillars are also done in suede to kind of follow that GT2 vibe that I really like. Along the same topic as the seats, the car has the Schroth Profi 2 ASM. I added these in, and then the pass-throughs were added in the seats as well for everything to come through and kind of work. These harnesses, they're a little on the pricier side because they have I forget what the feature is called, but basically so you don't lose your guts when you know the thing slams into your stomach. So I like my wife, so I like her guts too, so I wanted to keep them around. On the driver's side, rev limiter makes some super good stuff for the Miata. Over here you can see we have the gauges by rev limiter. These are called the burnout gauges. Super cool. When the sun hits them, they really light up. And also this is a Momo, what is it? A Monte Carlo steering wheel with the red horn button. These are stock door panels. I've had aluminum door panels on it before, but I feel like it was kind of going away from the way I wanted to go with the car. So I was able to kind of incorporate the whole suede look with the inserts as well. In the back of the car, we have the Hard Dog roll bar. I had that powder coated the same color as the insert in the front, kind of to blend everything. This is a carpet kit from Mazda Miata, and also carpet mats from Mazda Miata. And oh yeah, also I have a upgraded radio. Everyone's got an upgraded radio. And then the carpet kit. So I'm sorry, the short dash. This short dash is, I forget who makes that short dash, but it's just to kind of give a little more space in the car when you got two people in, you're not too tight. Oh, also the gauges. I'm a little so these gauges are actually the eyeball vents removed, these ones from here, and I dremeled out the housing and I fit it in. So on the left we have the boost gauge, and then on the right we have the air fuel. One of my favorite touches. I really like how clean that came out. Other than that, I think that's it for the inside.
I'm gonna take a ride in the FLYIN MIATA Turbo NB2. All right, so give them a little bit about the power again.
So the car is making 280 wheel right now. The torque, I don't know because I'm a dork and I didn't get the number. But yeah, and it's a stock transmission still.
And give them a little breakdown of how light the car is.
So when I took the car to the scale, all the mods I've done to it, I then took it to the scale because I didn't want to be that guy that was like, yeah, it's 2,200 pounds. I want to know exactly how much it weighed. Came in at like 2432.
Nice.
So pretty light. Yeah, for the power it's making right now, the transmission and differential do need to be upgraded. But for right now, it's working pretty good.
Nice.
It's working until it's not.
All right, so we're just gonna get like a little ride along and maybe some pools and stuff.
So we're in third, about 4K. I'm just gonna punch it. Watch how fast we get boost.
That was crazy. This guy's crazy.
So that's kind of the nice thing about the little turbo. Obviously, you know, once you get used to the power, you want more, but it's very responsive.
We're gonna try to get a first to third pull on the Miata. Yeah. He says it's a little rough, so we're gonna see.
Alright, we're in first.
Alright, we're in first. Alright, so we're gonna do some donuts, just baby ones.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. This is crazy. Dude, oh my, I'm not gonna lie, that's the craziest donuts I've felt ever. Yo, that felt like a roller coaster, man. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, this car is quick, man.
You gotta give everyone the donut experience.
I couldn't stop smiling on that donut.
It's a donut special on the Miata.
Dude, what the heck? This is a crazy fun car.
No maple bars, just donuts.